Hello, in this video we're going to do a challenging principles of microeconomics cost question. A firm's total cost of production is $8,000 when it hires 4 workers. When the firm hires 6 workers, its total cost is $10,000. Labor is the only variable input. What is the wage paid to each worker? What is the firm's fixed cost? Keep in mind that total cost equals variable cost plus fixed cost. When we're dealing with one variable input, the variable cost is going to be the price of that input times the number of units of that input. In this case, labor is our variable input, so it's going to be wage times the number of workers will be variable cost. F here represents the fixed cost. So for the first equation here, we're going to get this from our first sentence. The total cost is $8,000. The firm hires 4 workers, so for L, I'm going to substitute in 4. So we have 4W, and then F just represents, again, the level of fixed cost. From the second sentence, the firm's total cost is $10,000 when it hires 6 workers. So for L, I'm going to replace L with 6, so we get 6W plus F. We have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. The wage and fixed cost are unknown. We're going to solve each equation for F, so take this first equation here. Solve it for F. We get the following. Take the second equation and solve it for F. Subtracting 6W from both sides, we have another equation. Rewriting our 2 equations from the last slide, we're going to set F equal to F, setting one equation equal to the other. Now we're going to solve for W. I'll first subtract 8,000 from each side. 10,000 minus 8,000 leaves us with 2,000. Now add 6W to both sides. The left-hand side here will now be 2W, and dividing through by 2, the wage is $1,000. We're going to now take this wage and plug it back into either one of these equations on top where we have W. We're going to replace that with 1,000. So doing that, we see the fixed cost is 4,000. And just to check on our answer, if we plug that 1,000 back into this bottom equation here, we also get a fixed cost of 4,000. Okay, that's it.